If you're not already worried about AI, then you need to check out this video, which was released on Diary of a CEO with a lady called Karen Howe last night. It's already done 1 million views in the first day of posting, and it's got me absolutely terrified about the future given the disruption of AI. Now, I'm out here, not in the studio, but on a rooftop in Buenos Aires because I had to record a very short video urging you to take a look at this, understand the situation, and to act now. The whole point of this is I was watching it last night and I woke up this morning, frankly, running through, ironically, Claude. You know, what are, if any, the future-proof industries that we can retrain for, the standard stuff? And I really couldn't come up with that many ideas. And it comes back to, in my view, like the video that I made, which I'll also include a link to at the end of this one, around how I personally protected myself and how I believe you should be looking to future-proof your livelihood, your income long-term, is by investing in the beneficiaries of this technology so that if, or I think rather when, it runs away and fulfills its purely capitalist motive, you're at least able to replace some, if not all, of your income. I know this is a weird one compared to what I normally put out in the studio, but I'll leave a link in the description to both the interview, which you must watch, and also a link to the AI report that I've put together, giving you a watch list of the best positioned beneficiaries of this theme, so that if, or rather when, it seems inevitable that they win, you've at least got a stake or a claim to ownership in their stocks, in their equity. This predatory behavior of so-called data annotation is seeing that momentum build, where they're then hiring the very people who have been displaced to further train the models with their expertise. So the technology is essentially harvesting human intellect and, dare I say, on a social level, dignity. Unfortunately, I don't see a solution other than buying protection by investing as much money as you can now and for the foreseeable until the worst happens, to grow your assets as best and as fast as possible by investing in the key beneficiaries. If they win, you inevitably win too. You might lose your job and your income, but if you take action now and you ensure that you're building up assets in the right areas, just buying an ETF isn't going to be good enough. So this is going to disrupt so many parts of the economy. There's going to be very few, if any, things left. Karen describes it as an empire, and we know what empires do. They harvest resources and expend the people that they've taken them from. Strange video, I know, but a really important one that I felt I had to get out. I'll leave a link now to the explainer that I did on this exact topic for you to check out, and there'll be a link in the description, as I say, to the AI report that I put together and a link to this incredible interview as well. Take it easy.